Hey guys, I'm Shritama and welcome back to my channel. Now as you've read by the title of this video, you know that I am vlogging my best friend in the entire world, Diyadikari's birthday. Now we are a group of 4 and I have actually vlogged all of our birthdays previously. The first one was during Pujo, second one was in Nico Park, the third one being mine, and the fourth one is this. Now we as a group, we actually like throwing kind of elaborate surprises for each other, and it's not very elaborate. We are kids and students at the end of the day, so we can do all we have in our power. Last year her birthday just was after the lockdown, like 23rd ko lockdown tha, and then on 24th was her birthday, so we could literally do nothing, and that is something like a guilt which we've had since last year. So this year we decided to go all out and do something really special because it's her 18th birthday after all, and the planning has actually started long time before, during our exams only. So here are some clips when I went shopping. Today is the 20th of March and Diya's birthday is actually on 24th, so there's a lot to do. So I'm gonna go to a local store right now and get some stuff which is required for her birthday. So I just came back from the store. There are a lot of things which I need to plan and do. Now this is the mini beauty box which I have right here. So the concept is like an explosion box, and you lift up the lid, it's basically supposed to fall apart and reveal all the items you have. But now this nail polish is making it really heavy and it's just falling down on its own. So I think I may have to remove this. I still have 2 kind of compartments to fill. Over here I think I'm going to be placing a keychain, and over here I am still yet to figure out, but this is the whole concept that's been going on right now. So I am basically kind of giving her 2 gifts which I've already placed the order on Amazon. So I'm giving her a top and I'm giving her another lipstick. And other than that, I'm planning to give her like 10 gifts in total. I like surprising people because I would like to be surprised back. So that is something. More than planning my own birthday, I like planning other people's birthday. That's like really fun. So today is the 23rd and her birthday is tomorrow, that is 24th. I just got done filming a video and I look like a mess right now. So right now I'm basically scheduling a Zoom meeting for the night. Guys, quick update. Today is 25th and yesterday was 24th. Yesterday was her birthday, but we didn't do anything. And today, right now, I'm going to the school, and after that, we're going to be going to her house. But a lot of things are left, like a lot of preps are left. So I'm going to come back home and do more. Say hi to the camera. So I'm ready. I just came back from school like an hour and a half ago and I'm ready. I had my lunch, took a shower, everything. This is the makeup that I'm carrying, just lots of glow and a little bit of color on my cheeks. And I'm also carrying another extra outfit just in case I need to change. Like 45 minutes early. Surprise! Oh my god! Happy belated birthday! Happy birthday! Our theme is black actually because it's your favorite color. So you are also black. Yeah, unintentionally black, but happy birthday!
LOL. Really got shocked at that was Oh my god.
Birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Diya A! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday, dear Diya! Happy birthday to you! God. This is so tasty.
Yeah, it's awesome.
ও তো বললো বাকরিতে আছে, বাকরিতে এখানে আছে বলে তো।
হ্যাঁ, ভিডিও সেভে খাতে
তাহলে ও এখানে যদি থাকে তাহলে থেকে হাই বল। হাই
Hi. Kichu ball hi chana. This is okay. This is Mahashweta's vlog. So we were in the middle of this Scotland Yard kind of game. It is such an intricate game, literally. मतलब समझने में we half the time went away, and now we are playing. And Diya went to take our food. I'm gonna have my food. They're gonna have the ice cream, and we'll just continue playing.
So Shritama is having her food now. Kichu ball.
You're actually making a video.
Yes. বল তো খাবারের ব্যাপারে কিছু।
It's obviously it's biryani. It's Kolkata biryani, has to be good. So she gets too conscious.
Yeah. Hi. Hi ছাড়া কিছু বল। Okay, right now Shritama is eating her food and I am
Oh my god.
তো আমাদের আইসক্রিম চলে এসেছে।
There are long spoons.
Okay.
somehow I don't know, like no, nothing is written.
I never had for pictures.
Yeah.
Oh, she's so.
তোকে ভালো
so
লাগছে
cute,
দেখে,
I
তাই এই পিকচারটা
know.
দিয়েছি।
Sherlock.
and then she was like, এটা দিয়াধিকারীর বার্থডে তুই তোকে সুন্দর দেখতে লাগছে।
Guess who turned 18? Yeah.
So Dia, we just did so much for you. What is your reaction to this?
I love you guys.
Oh my god, her dog again gave me the scare of my life. Oh my god. Sorry, so we are just gonna leave, and it's like 7 right now, and we are done. We had lots of fun. We played Scotland Yard or something like that, and yeah, right now she's going to take my ice cream, and I'm gonna go. Sorry. Literally me and Shweta, we ran away. We are very scared of dogs. One time I had this Nobita incident where I fell into the drain because a dog was chasing me. The true story. Guys, that's it for this video, and I really hope that you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, you know the drill. Like, share and subscribe to my channel. And guys, we are super close to 400 subscribers again. We are at 380, so please subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me. I'll meet you in my next one. Till then, stay home, stay safe. Till then, bye.